You're locked on to the SABC News channel. Thank you for joining us this Sunday afternoon. Well, today marks the centenary of the end of World War I, with commemorations being held in 60 nations, including South Africa. The death toll from the destructive fire that hit California has spiraled to 25. This after 14 more bodies were discovered in the decimated town of Paradise in the state's north. Back home, candidates shortlisted for the position of the new National Director of Public Prosecutions will be interviewed from Wednesday to Friday this week. Well, the Vlakfontein murders will come under close legal scrutiny in the Lenasia Magistrate Court tomorrow. 7 family members were killed and buried under a heap of sand 2 weeks ago. 3 women and 4 children were killed. Mozambican national Khupe will apply for bail. Zimbabwean national Ernest Mabaso abandoned his bail bid last Monday.
Killing one, couldn't he stop with one?
This guy is a monster. I don't want, I can't talk now, honestly.
His 11-year-old daughter, the apple of his eye, one of the victims. In its bloody wake, unanswered questions and deep sorrow.
They will have lost his daughter, a daughter that was violated, terribly violated, not only killed, but terribly violated. And which father will ever look to the person that have done something like this to his angel?
On Monday, the court will hear Khupe's bail application and perhaps distill his role in the killings. The 61-year-old was in a relationship with a murdered homeowner Mpnday. Khupe was arrested last Sunday in Dobsonville, Soweto. Initially, he was the first suspect police questioned and later released.
They've been together for a very long time, almost about 15 years. And the only thing that surprised us is that after his disappearance of a week, he came back in a very smelly house and the main bedroom being locked. He don't ask questions. He sleep in that house for more than 3 days and without any questions. He saw the scent that was in the house.
Police believe the other accused, Ernest Mabaso, didn't act alone. They're confident investigations will link the two.
For now, these are allegations, and yes, the onus is on us as a state to prove our case beyond reasonable doubt. But we believe that with the information that we have so far, we have a solid case.
The murders were bizarre.
He did it in several days and even called some of the people who were not at the scene to the house in order to kill them. His last 3 victims were killed on Saturday and Sunday. He called them and actually wooed them through saying he was going to buy clothes and some surprises for them, only to find that the surprise is to kill them.
Incensed residents will again urge the court not to grant bail.
We want them out, not for imprisonment, because they will eat there, they will bath there, they will get everything. Our testicles will be paying for their food there inside. We don't want them outside. We want to pen them alive.
The 7 bodies were excavated from heaps of sand in the main home and an outside room. This after a neighbor contacted police following a stench. Mpnday, SABC News, Lenasia.